Hello everyone, this is Yashika Bishnoi from Alacrity with Anna, and today is lunar eclipse in India as well as a penumbral, like effects are not more, but what you can do in lunar eclipse so you will get benefited. And today is full moon also, so some of the rituals which I'm going to share with you all you can do, and it's easy to do. So just stay connected and watch the video, subscribe and share with your friends so they will get benefited to see this video. So I am going to tell you about some of the rituals which you can perform today, as today is Grahan, Chandra Grahan, we call it lunar eclipse. So what you can do in lunar eclipse is, what you need to do in lunar eclipse is for prosperity, okay, for the improving of our financial condition. What you can do is you can buy one lock, like we call it tala, okay, buy one lock, keep it in a moonlight whole night today, and tomorrow in the morning when you'll get up, just leave it in the temple, like any of the temple or mandir, you just go and just leave it there, okay. With this your financial condition will improve. Now second is, those who are searching job, those who have some of the other office politics, very easy remedy which they can do is, after once that lunar eclipse will finish, like it's get over, what you need to do is you have to prepare sweet rice, like I don't know what you call but you have to add sugar or jaggery, and you just offer to the crows, and everybody will say, ma'am, lunar eclipse will get over in the evening, so how we will find the crows? Just offer next day. So if you are searching job, you will get the job. If you are having any of the issues in the office, then you will get that issues get resolved, so you will get benefited. Now third, if somebody is facing any issues are not getting benefit, whatever they are doing, they are stuck, and if they want prosperity, abundance in their life, we all are aware of the black ants. Black ants is the another roop, I can say, of Vishnuji. So what you need to do is, you have to make a flour out of rice, okay, just grind the rice, it will convert it into a flour. So what you need to do is, you have to give this to the black ants. Where you can find the black ants? In an empty plot near the trees. Well, if you'll keep it near the trees, sprinkle near the trees, ants will come automatically. But make sure the ants should come black, okay. So you have to offer this to the black ants. So what it will do, when you will offer this rice flour to the ants, what is the benefit? The moon energies, you will be blessed with the moon energies. More and more moon blessings will come. Now last remedy for the lunar eclipse is to take the blessings of Mahalakshmi. Everybody wanted to please Mahalakshmi in their life, right? We all want so much prosperity, abundance in our life. So what we can do is, we can take any of the silver thing, whether it's a silver earring, silver pendant, silver coin, anything which is made up of silver. So what you need to do is, you have to take Ganga Jal. Ganga Jal is available in all the Indian home. You have to take Ganga Jal, take little bit of milk, and just mix all together in one bowl, and add that silver coin or piece, whatever you have, like a silver pendant, just keep it in that and leave it overnight in the moon energies tonight. And next day what you need to do is, just take out that silver thing what you have and just keep it in your locker. So what you need to do is, you have to keep that silver pendant, coin, whatever you have, whatever you kept it in the moon energies with the Ganga Jal and milk, you have to keep it in your locker. As every full moon, you can charge it, you can keep it outside like that, and either you can just leave it like that in your locker. If you don't have a home locker, you can keep it in your bank locker. If you don't have a bank locker, you can keep it wherever you keep cash, gold, so you have to keep it there. Now some of the rituals and remedy I will just share with you all, for the full moon. as today is full moon as well as lunar eclipse. So lunar eclipse remedies I shared with you also. These things you just do it. Now for the full moon, what you can do is burn the lavender, juniper or rosemary essence in your home. If you have a fresh ones, you can burn it with the camphor. Show the fumes and the smoke all over your home, every corner of your house. Okay. And what else you can do is, when you were just roaming around with the fumes, you just pray. What you will pray is, I release the thoughts that no longer serve me from the reaches my highest potential. I call upon the abundance and positivity for the new phase of my life. Just repeat this affirmation 2-3 times, or according to your intention. If your intention is saying, just do it for 5 times, 7 times, 21 times, 11 times. Just repeat it. What else you can do is, you can, in your altar, as you can see, I burn a white candle. See, I burn the white candle. You can burn the white candle in your altar. Pray to the archangels. Please bless me with the positive light, positivity in my home, my life, everywhere. Make me abundant, and whatever is not serving me, please you take care of that thing. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, please bless me with the divine energies and divine light. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And today is full moon. You can charge your crystals. You can make moon water. How you can charge your crystals is, just simply take all your crystals. Like I have these crystals in my altar. So what you can do is, just take all the crystals you have, keep it in one bowl or a tray or a basket, and keep it in the moonlight. Okay, before sunrise you just take it. Then you can make a full moon water. Full moon water, how to make it? Just take water in a glass bottle or a glass tumbler or in a plastic bowl, especially a glass which is transparent. Use that and keep it in a moonlight. Next day before sunrise, just take it, or you can keep it for few hours as well. That, as many people stays in apartment, they don't have a terrace. So what you can do is, you can just keep it for half an hour, 2 hours in a moonlight, then use it. How you can use it? You can spray it on your face, body, in your home. Why home? Is like moon is very quiet, a cool, so it will keep our house environment cool, calm and light. Face, if you spray on your face, it will give you moon energies, moon light. So what best you can do is, you can sprinkle in your home, on your face, in your surroundings. You can spray it on your surroundings, and you can even drink that moon water. And what else you can do is, you can be in moonlight for some time. And those who have relationship issues, those partners have so much of fight, what you can do is, give water, offer water, both husband and wife, to moon when it will be full moon. So just offer water and take the blessings from moon and say, please bless our relationship and increase more and more love in our relationship. So these rituals you just do today. And last but not the least, so one more, what you can do is, be in moonlight for some time tonight. So it will cleanse you, it will protect you, it will give you moon energies, and enjoy the time. God bless you all. Stay blessed. Happy full moon to all of you, and stay inside. And when it will be a lunar eclipse, just pray to your ancestors, your gurus, whomsoever you believe in, and pray to the God, not in the temple. Don't go to the temple and pray. Just wherever you are sitting, just pray. Whatever you wanted to pray, just pray. Stay blessed. Bye bye.